Alright, well, another day. Looks like we're going to go ahead and replace this piece of crap Glacier Bay with the Delta spigot that I bought. So, already getting ready to pull this one out and we'll get the new one in. Hope it works.
To plug off the tub supply,
Yeah,
so we have no tub.
Yeah. You don't want water rushing down on the floor again. That'd be bad.
It would not be good.
No.
When you set it in a rough, flush with your framing,
Okay.
you gotta leave this hole for clearance so you can work on your valves and stuff.
Gotcha.
Providing you can't get on the back side.
Ah.
We can go in the back.
Yeah, that worked out well. We're able to got access way here, so
Everything's so tight.
yeah.
We're gonna figure it out though.
Yeah, not bad. Nice Ryobi set and
Well, this is what you're not supposed to do.
oh, okay.
But I'm gonna do it.
All right, you're gonna go ahead and cut it.
Yeah, take the crib rings off because we don't have the option of replumbing it unless we tear this whole wall out.
Right.
I'm gonna try to.
And they won't twist as you loosen the nut.
Well, you gotta get that off.
And that's a
'Cause we
pain.
need that fitting to put on the
Gotcha.
other one. I
Okay.
don't. Let me see if it'll turn.
All right.
It'll turn and they don't leak. That's weird.
Yeah, that is weird.
Yeah. If we can just get it turned back on the other one, it'll be good.
Huh. Is it working?
Yeah, that's far.
All right. The real truth will come in when you hook the new one up and
Yeah.
see if they leak.
Oh yeah, I don't think it'll leak.
Yeah.
Move them around and then screw them up.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe we'll get lucky.
All right, that'd be great.
Haven't been lucky this week.
Yeah, it's been a bit chaotic, huh?
One thing I still have is a little bit of a grip.
All right, got it loose. And Glacier Bay is, I'll never buy another one again.
Now that I've seen what you went through, I won't either.
Delta and Mullen, I've heard pretty good reviews about them. We probably should have bought one of those when we
Yeah, I
built
would.
this thing.
Try to get a name that I know.
And this one must have been, I can't remember. We were cutting costs where we could, and this one must have been like a discount of some sort. That's the reason we bought it, because that Delta one is actually cheaper. It was actually $20 cheaper than this one. It was like $85. The Delta was $65.
Really?
Yeah, I was shocked. I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get it. I had to make sure. I checked the barcode, and yep, sure enough, it was $65. So
Wow.
I went ahead and ganked it. It was the last one they had in
I'll
stock.
take the stem out, I'll be able to turn the whole body.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
One turn.
Beautiful. That's awesome. So we never could find out where that water was coming from.
Nope. Somewhere in there.
Somewhere in there, yeah. Oh, well.
One of those little gaskets
That's crazy.
failed on us.
Uh-oh. Well, yeah, won't get another one of these, that's for sure. You want to keep it for what now?
Hit my neighbor's mailbox.
That'll do it. That'll leave a dent. That's hilarious.
I don't see anything else that's worth.
Oh, man. Probably not even worth much at the recycling place either.
No, I gotta put it in grass if you want some.
Yeah. Get the brackets out of the new one.
I gotta get the Teflon on this.
Yeah. Need the extension. Where's that screwdriver? You like that thing straight and not bent?
Well, it's according to what you're doing. Your shaft's too big.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Figures. Yeah, just swap them back and forth.
Let's see if that'll do it. Maybe I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver.
Yep. Darn it. No. Oh, there you go.
Yep, just gotta keep trying stuff.
Okay. Good Teflon tape.
Yep. Uno.
Uno, dos, tres.
And I might redo and make it quattro. Si c'è la macchina passare che lei.
See.
Sì. Come?
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Do I feel good about that one? When in doubt, whip it out.
Okay. You be on the safe side.
Yes, sir.
Put some more Teflon on it.
Yeah, I couldn't really get to it. With all that crap in my way.
Yeah.
Now that we got free reign, let's do it right.
That'll work.
Now I feel better.
All right. Okay.
Liambo up.
Oh. Made in China?
Most probably.
Pretty much everything.
Yes, sir. Most probably. My fingers aren't used to grabbing small things.
Well, practice makes perfect.
Yep. I should have left that damn thing off again.
Yeah, I'm a Trekkie. I admit it.
I used to watch the, which one is it?
The original series or TNG?
Well, I did watch the original.
Yeah. So probably Next Generation. That's kind of the one I like more, and then
One with the
the
woman on it?
DS9.
Or with John Luke.
Yeah, that's Captain. That's yeah, Next Generation. Or Next Germination, as I like to call it.
Which one had the lady on it?
Oh, Voyager, that was Captain.
Oh, Voyager, yeah.
Yeah. That was alright. I wasn't really into that one too much.
Nah.
Everybody I've talked to had the same feeling. Yeah, Voyager wasn't all that. It was Next Generation and DS9 were pretty good. And yeah, I don't think they're going to be doing DS9 in Blu-ray, and I was hoping they would, but doesn't look like they will, because it's, I guess CBS was disappointed in the Blu-ray sales of Next Generation. So,
I've never watched anything on Blu-ray.
yeah, it's actually not too bad. They did a pretty good job on it, but of course, you know, you look back when I was buying them when they were coming out, and the money I spent, I'm like, was it worth it? I probably should have waited myself.
Well, what's the deal behind the Blu-ray?
Now it just makes a high definition, clear picture, crisper colors.
Okay.
Yeah, basically taking it. It's still 4:3 image, but sometimes I like to, just stretch the screen a little bit. I mean, yeah, the characters look a little, you know, stretched out, but I just hate those black bars on the side of my TV.
I do too.
It's just annoying. What? Oh, you think the plumbers are going to give you a hard time about how you're doing this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what they do. Well,
Professionals.
the professionals, they nitpick. I mean, even when I built this shed, boy, I had so many people, oh, you should have done this. It's way overkill. Well, yeah, build it yourself.
Overkill is better than not doing enough. I
Right.
promise you that.
I tell you what, I don't mind doing overkill on something that's an investment of mine, and you know, try to.
I'll tell you what, there's not many plumbers can go trim a house.
No.
Oh, well, they can, but then I get to do the critiquing.
Yeah. That's always fun.
Yeah. Richard,
Yep.
we're fixing to see what we got.
Yeah, make sure we don't have any water leaks. Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah.
That's step one. Make sure we have no water coming out where it's not supposed to be.
Amen.
All right, the moment of truth. Cut it on. Here we go. We'll see. All right, all right, all right. No leaks.
You must have this cut off down here, huh?
I hope not. Probably just got the tank's still got to fill up. Oh, looky there, no leaks. Beautiful. We could leave it like that. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm done.
You're done.
I'm gonna put it on anyway.
Oh yeah, that bracket on the back now.
Yeah.
What's that for anyway? Just
It's so you can mount it to the remember
The board?
the tube I took out?
okay.
The purline or purling.
Got it.
You want to call it?
Yeah.
And it keeps the back of your faucet off of the structure.
Got it. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, well, believe it or not, your plumbing moves around enough to where it'll rub a hole in something over the years.
Oh,
You know, cutting it on, it moves a little bit. Cutting it off, it moves a little bit.
right.
Just a little. It's
Okay.
enough.
Beautiful. That's always good down the road.
Yeah, it sure is. All right.
Yeah, notice I thought they were screws, but nope, those are nails. That's why they had to be cut with the Sawzall. It wasn't coming out. So now we'll put it back in and make sure it gets screwed.
Cover plate screws.
Yeah. And here's the old pieces. I wind up chunking it.
Pretty close to the center up.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Line everything up straight. Look through there and see a screw hole. Yep.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Love it when a plan comes together. See, with Glacier Bay, nothing's coming together. It was just falling apart. Delta seems to be keeping it together, so
It was surely leaking.
yeah.
Thanks for all your help.
Thanks for the help. Yep.
For your support.
Yeah.
You never put screws in on high, you know that, right?
No, just put the torque setting on the set number 1. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I catch them people using mine, run them in fast.
Oh,
There goes your clutch.
yeah, exactly. That thing will smoke a couple of times. That was actually a reject, and I got it to take home to do a field test on. The brushes started smoking. I was like, oh, I guess I'm going to keep this one. It has. It's smoked a couple of times. It might do it while you use it. I don't know. It's just
Really?
real intermittent. Yeah, it still smokes once in a while.
Get everything nice and flush.
All right. Okay, so that's the foam that's on the back, so really no need for silicone. Okay.
And mash it down. And that keeps the water from infiltrating your wall.
Ah, nice.
Have you got any little? I mean, they can be like 3/4.
Using shorter screws, those long ones that go right through the board.
Yeah, this is just to keep
Keep
doing a little bit of movement.
Right. Muy inteligente. Very intelligent.
Okay. Get her nice and straight. Ah, come on.
Nothing to grab.
Huh?
It's not lining up right.
Ah, you just got a lot of void in there. You got to hit the hole. You know how it is when you miss the hole.
Yeah. Darn that luck. Yeah, directions are optional.
I think it's just. Yeah. Trim fish you go on afterwards. Uh-oh.
All right.
Hitting that board.
Is it?
Yeah. Can't believe it is, but it is.
Oh, man. Wow. There's some screw holes.
Crap.
You're pretty good at guessing crap? Okay. You a gambler?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm not good at gambling. I don't know
Okay.
why. That looked like it might stick slam out the wall. I don't know.
Wow.
Didn't have any other screws on it.
Yeah. There you go. Beautiful.
That's gonna fit right. All that.
Yeah, it's got the off on the right, so that'll. Yeah, that should work.
So,
Beautiful. Try it out. That's air. A lot of air.
bring it up. Make it on the back.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have the hot water plugged up, do you?
No, I don't. It might take a while. It's electric. It'll take a while to heat the water up, but I'm pretty sure it's working. If it's
Yeah, that's all of it.
all air.
Yeah, that's on the hot side.
Okay. Well, beautiful. I might actually have to take a shower in here and try it out one day.
There you go. Now you got a whole new head and stem here.
Yeah, that's true, I do. Might as well put it in. That one's been used for the last 6-7 years and it's probably got calcium buildup. More Teflon. Yeah, well, I might as well use it since I paid for it.
Yeah, this is true.
Well, don't need any leak stuff. Had enough of that.
Yeah, you always go the same way.
Same way we twist on so it doesn't back it off.
Mm-hmm.
Get it knotted up in there. Yeah, I've made that mistake a few times.
Which in America should be clockwise.
Yeah. We like to do things counterclockwise.
Well, some gas piping is backwards.
Yeah, that's true, it is. Yeah, I'll just take that whole thing out of the wall and put a new one in. Why not?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Good old plastic.
Yeah, there's the new That's purty.
Oh, pair of channel locks on it up there.
Probably.
I hope I don't have to do that to get that one in. That scars them up.
Oh man.
Wow.
It's on there, huh?
Very much so. Wow, man. That's not good. There we go. Moat choke. The shower head's good, but this supply pipe isn't.
Wow. What is that called?
An escutcheon.
An escutcheon?
Escutcheon.
Escutcheon, okay.
Don't ask me to spell it.
Okay, I probably couldn't spell it either, actually.
Well, I could if I thought about it.
It was like
Yes.
discussion, except escutcheon, I can't even pronounce it.
Yeah. It's ESCUTION, I believe.
We'll just say escutcheon.
Yes. Escutcheon.
Okay.
Hopefully I don't have to turn this thing like that. What? Let's find out.
Alright. Oh yeah.
No massage?
Oh, isn't that a shame?
Not from that side, maybe.
Maybe a little bit. But...
I'll let it run a little bit so we don't have a leak over
Alright. We good?
there. No leaks here, mate.
Great. That's awesome. Yeah, we're hitting that air in the hot water tank. Beautiful. Oh, we're here in water.
Getting water in there anyway?
No, I guess it wasn't because it wasn't plugged in. Hey, we got water now. Cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I think that's a wrap on this project.
That's beautiful.
All right. Awesome. Say that again?
People change from the shiny chrome like we just put in to a brushed nickel. Everybody likes the brushed nickel. Hinges, you know, doorknobs,
Yeah.
faucets, whatever. All the brushed nickel stuff. Now the brass went out, then the chrome came in, it went out, now we're brushed nickel.
Okay.
And the shirt says it all.
Yeah. Life's a game, hunting is serious. That's cool.
Hey, love it, be, love
That's
it, beat
it. That's perfect. I like that. Thank you very much for that.
Amen.
All right, so we got everything buttoned back up, washer put back in place, and yep, no more leaks, and that's great. So, yep, got everything screwed back. I'll go back here to the bathroom. Yeah, I got a flapper leaking in the tank. I can replace that later. But yeah, this is awesome. Finally a working shower in the mega shed again. So, cool. I'll clean that up. I'll take a shower in here and clean all that crap when it washed down the drain. So, awesome. Well, there you go. Another project done in the mega shed. So, until next time, adios.